Good afternoon and welcome to all in the third session, day 2 of Atal FDP. My name is Dr. Alok Vardhan and I am working as an assistant professor in the Mechanical Engineering Department of AKGC Ghaziabad. The guest speaker of this session is Professor Rakesh Kumar Gautam sir, and topic of his presentation is Sustainable Travelology or Green Travelology. I welcome Professor Rakesh Kumar Gautam sir on the behalf of all the participants. Now I would like to introduce sir in few words. Rakesh Kumar Gautam sir is Professor of Mechanical Engineering, IIT BHU, Varanasi, India. He completed his BTech from Madan Mohan Malviya Technical University, Gorakhpur in the year 1999. MTech from Institute of Technology, presently known as Indian Institute of Technology, BHU, Varanasi in the year 2001. And PhD from Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee in the year 2009. He has nearly 14 years of teaching and research experience at IIT BHU. His area of teaching is machine design like engineering mechanics, machine designs, strength of materials, mechanical measurement, composite materials, tribology, etc. He is working in the area of development of different types of composites, alloys, and their physical, mechanical, and tribological properties for various applications. Also, working in the field of microwave sintered composites, biotribology, dental tribology, etc. He has credited to various publications in referred journals like ASME, VR, Tribology International, Materials and Design, Ceramic International, etc. He is reviewer of several international journals like ASME, IMechE, etc. He has produced several MTechs and guiding PhD students. He is also life member of Tribological Society of India. Now, I would request Professor Rakesh Kumar Gautam sir to start the session and share your valuable thoughts with us. Please, sir.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Alok Vardhan, so for your nice introductions. Okay, so I will share my PPT with you. Okay, so I think PPT is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, any issue is there in my voice? Any visibility? All the things, everything is okay, I hope.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If any issue, you can interfere me in between. There is no any problem for me. Okay. So PPT, I can make the presentation mode. This is okay. Otherwise, okay. So in this mode, so I can write something also if I wish. In the full mode, I think I could not write. I think I can write, no problem. Anyway, so thank you. So I will thank you and just give our further thanks to everyone, particularly for the Namrata for inviting me as the expert for this Atal FDP. So I'm also very much thankful to the administration of this AKG, Ajay Kumar Garg, Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Okay, so the topic of this FDP is the novel materials. Okay, so I have chosen the similar kind of a topic, not the novel materials, but this is also a novel work nowadays. So I think one day is already over, so everybody is familiar about the novel materials. So can I say also, and this is a very specific topic, and it is also can controversy. It is a very broad topic. Okay, so both may be possible in case of the novel material. Suppose we are talking about the means, either we can talk about the Stone Age, either we can talk about the Bronze Age, either we can talk about the Iron Age. So nowadays we can talk about the Polymer Age, Ceramic Age, Metal Matrix Age, like that one. So I think in the particular era, and that is a novel. At that time of the Iron Age, so iron was the very novel materials. At the time of the stone was the only iron, this novel materials. So it's demand of the time and demand of the era. So this novel materials is a very broad topic. So as well. So I will try to explore you something new. So novel materials, yeah, most of the time. So we are calling novel materials we have already specified. We are calling also the engineering materials. So engineering materials, once you will search the Google, so at least you will get there is a 90,000 to near about lakhs the engineering materials. So what is the choice and what is our, our choice, either what is our interest to say the engineering materials. So these engineering materials, then again we can say the novel materials. And from all the engineering materials cannot we say the novel materials. So novel materials has some kind of the specific or particular applications. Okay, anyway. So we will discuss about the things. So my name is R.K. Gautam. So I am associated with the Mechanical Engineering Department, IIT BHU. So this is my mail ID. So actually, I'm not going to deliver my research work. So I am working in the composite materials. So nowadays we are working in the dental tribology, bio tribology also. So my area is very vast. I am working in the metal matrix, natural fiber, polymer composite. So if anybody is interested, they can talk me later on also in any future. I have no any objection to share anything. Okay, after my research work. Okay, so today's topic, I took the sustainable tribology. Okay, sustainable tribology. So I think everybody is familiar about the term tribology. So sustainable come later on. So but the tribology, I think tribology. So I think all you are familiar. So very much about the tribology. So this is derived from the Greek words. One is the tribos. There is the one term is the tribos. Tribos. So it's derived from the Greek letter. So tribos is nothing but this is means of the rubbing. Okay, it's mean of the rubbing. Rubbing means rubbing. Once we are talking about the rubbing, a sliding. So it's nothing but it is a sliding of the means two components. And what is the relative motions of these components? That's called the tribology. So tribology is the very previously, as you can say, the tribology is a very old subject, because either you can say the time of the Egyptian, time of the any age of the our development of the history, our development of the human life. So tribology was there, but it is known very late. So tribos very much confused about the tribos means the popular of the Europe countries, the US countries thinking about the tribos. Tribo means that is the people from belonging to the forest, like that one. Tribes like that one. Okay, so it will take time to recognitions, but nowadays it is a very vast. Nowadays everywhere we can see the tribology is involved. Suppose in our day-to-day life we can observe the tribology. So every morning, once we have to start our teeth, our brushing, then we have to use our shoes. So everywhere, every aspect of the life, the tribology is there. Okay? So this subject is a very, a renowned subject nowadays, and this is a very developing subject nowadays. And how we can see the sustainable tribology. So tribology, not only rubbing of the two objects. So how the term sustainable has been derived to this tribology. Sustainable means, so that should be sustainable means, first of all, I will cover this topic. So just I come to know after the delivering the lecture, I have to deliver the 2 hours. So one part I will make the sustainable tribology. So if I will get the time, so I will also I will try to introduce you with some new topic of the tribology. Now, this is a very interesting subject for you. So that is texturing, surface texturing, tribology texturing, all these things. So this is the second part of my lecture. So, but this one, tribos means just you will see here on our first PPT, the self cleaning. So this is the leaf of the lotus, and there is the one drop of the water, and you can see here. So this is a leaf of the lotus, and how the drop of the water is stable over here, and how it is a beautiful crystal looking like. And you can also see over here. So this is the web of the spider, and how this spider make the beautiful pattern of this web, and also in how this fibers is generated by this kind of. So means the theory, either the technology which is evolved, which will be developed from our natural resources. That's called basically the sustainable. because the resources of the energy is going decreasing day by day. So how we can sustain it? So if we have not made the alternative, so it will be a very difficult to sustain, very difficult to survive in this universe. So that is the reason the term sustainable will be derived. So I'm not going to derive about the about the tribology. So there is a variety of the tribology. So means this is the suppose aberration, abrasive, fatigue, and erosion. There is the means several kinds of the tribology. I'm not going to introduce the tribology. So I'm directly coming to this one. So before to start the sustainable tribology, so why this term sustainable is used for us? So why we are more more concerned about the sustainability nowadays? So everybody is talking about the sustainable. We are not only talking about a topic. So suppose just I am working in the composite materials. So what composite materials? What kinds of the composite we can develop, and that can be sustained to the our means environment, and that can be used to the means our means general life. Okay, so I'm so this way. So why? So why this kinds of the sustainable is required? And first and most important thing is the energy, because a lot of energy is required to run this universe. So how much energy we have to require to run this universe? So we have to, there are several kinds of the things and several kinds of the object is there, and that can be sustained to our general day-to-day life. So what is the means the main motivators of each human activity enhance? So energy is required, because every moment of the life. So I'm talking because I have the energy, and I can talk 2 hours because I have the energy. So from where I can get this energy, so I can make the fresh myself, I can talk in the similar manner for the 2 hours, like that. We have to record the energy. So nowadays we are talking in the terms of the means embedded in each of the economic, not only in terms of the we have to make economic, social, and environmental dimensions of the human development. So not only the energy. Suppose we can make the alternative of the fuel. So at the place of the petrol, we can use the hydrogen gas. So hydrogen gas, how we can derive it? So how it will be useful to our environment, and how it will be useful to the human development. So this is the sustainable. So energy services essentially input to our economic activities while improving the living conditions and the environmental quality. So we will not see only if we just very increase in the economic, our GDP is going to increasing, but the worst condition of the every people is going to the worst. So there is no any use of this high GDP of the means country. Okay, so these things is very much required. So how we can contribute to social development through the educations and public health, and the help meeting to basic human needs, and the what is the food and shelters. However, extensive use of energy. So one important thing is that not only social, environmental dimension, one important thing is there, extensive use of energy can increase carbon footprint and greenhouse gas emission, while conversely mismanagement of the energy. It is not our purpose only to increase the resource of the energy. Also we have to say how we can control this energy, and how can control this energy. Suppose this energy, excess energy also provide make the emissions like the footprints and the greenhouse gas emissions. So we have to take all this in our account. So what kinds of the gap is there? So this environmental, human development issues, so a lot of gap is there. So either gap in terms of the studies, or in terms of the awareness. So it may be the several kinds. So how we can fill the gap of this bridges between our desire for energy and adverse environmental effect it produced by the designing. So how we can do it? So particular kinds of the designing is very important. How we can design the particular components, or particular kinds of the our equipment, all these things very important. So designing, machining that can still meet societal needs while substantially reducing our dependence on the fossil fuels of the energies. So we can increase, either we can develop such kind of the design which can be used to the reducing our dependence upon these fossil fuels. Because so most of the time, all the times nowadays everybody is rushing for the renewable energy. So what kinds of renewable energy we have want? Okay, so this prime aspect of this is the reducing of the inefficiency of the systematic losses through the friction in wear, which reduces the performance of these machines. So sometimes, so developing any kind of the technique or developing any kind of the materials, so sometimes it is also very important to see what kind of the process we can optimize. There is a optimizations of the process. Process means, so we don't care, we have to make several kinds of the big machines, and these machines are under the relative motions, and these relative motions producing the several kinds of the friction and wear. So how we can reduce, how we can make the optimize these things. So we suppose once we have to restrict the losses of the energy, so obviously the things will be going to improve. So another approach is to identify the aspects of the technology that have the greatest impact on the ecosystem and try and reduce eliminate this impact. So one thing, either we can try to explore our what kinds of the processes we are applying. So just we have to explore it. So this process is useful, and this process is responsible to energy losses. This process is useful to reduce the energy and reduce the friction wear. So that way. And another way, so technology. So what kinds of the technology we can improve? So just nowadays we are finding everything is going to minimizer. Okay. So just there is the LCD, then LED, LCD. Nowadays, soft screen is there. You can fold the screen, the things there. So what is it? These are the technology. So we have to improve in the several way. Okay, technology, all these things. So just before the green tribology, sustainable tribology. So these are the issues. So what is required to take the care? So what I am going to delivering, I'm not going to deliver any kinds of the research, but there's a lot of possibility for any research. If anybody is doing research in the area of this, either green tribology or the composite materials or the anyone, so that may be benefit to you. But I'm not going to deliver any my result, any my data. So just I thinking, so all this is the proposal for you. I am just proposing to you, so you can explore the area. I'm also just learning the subject. So by this subject, I am also exploring the few research also nowadays. So this is useful to everyone. Okay, and don't take it otherwise. I am not showing any results, and we are producing the same thing. It is not necessarily. So what are the environmental and societal issues? Okay, so there are the majority of the issues, but we can categorize in the four major way. Four major way is, so the first issue compromises the destructions and losses of the natural resources. Okay, so we want the energy. So energy at what we are compensating? So we are compensating to our destroying the forest and destroying the resources, and everywhere just we are exploring. Just we have to extract everything. Suppose just we are get any resource of our oil. So all the sea and everybody start to drilling. So how we can? So this, for example, restrictions of the natural habitats and the aquatenses and the biodiversity losses, erosion and the soil damages. Okay, so this one. And second, the sealing of the natural resources, the fossil fuels, water, and photosynthetic sealing. What is the means of the sealing? So we can restrict it. The sealing means just fossil fuels. Fossil fuels means this is the natural resources, and this is not available in the abundant. So kya karna hai? Some particular kind of the resources is there. So we are so much extracted, so they can be destroyed. It will not again renew. So we have to take the care. So these are the issues. And third issue is the harmful things that we produce and move around. जैसे अभी हमें क्या करना है? So we are just saying ourselves are the very much civilized, and we will not prepare food at my home. I will take the processed food. So all are the toxic means several kinds of the chemicals. Several kinds of the chemical are using. So just we are saying we are saving our time for the cooking, but what is the benefit of that one? Just we can harmful things. Just we can introduce. Just we are intaking the harmful things. This is not good. So technology should be improved. Technology should be enhanced. But what the compromising? Can we compromise our health? Can we compromise our losses? So no. So the madman chemicals and alien species ozone's hole. It is so everybody is trying to make. We want to make the air conditions room, air conditions hall, air conditions road, everywhere there should be the air conditions. So we should not get any kind of the trouble. So this is also the harmful. So the technology, excess technology. Here ceiling, here excess technology. And fourth one is the compromises the population's issues. So population issue is not our hand, but this is also a societal issues. Okay, societal issues is how we can make the things very much smooth. Okay, so we need to go green if we want to sustain ourselves. What is the terms green over here? So green means green. You can say the green technology. So green here we are calling about the green tribology, because I will concentrate about the wear friction and lubrication. So that term is the green tribology. But green chemistry is there. Green terms is the means environmental friendly, eco-friendly. What is the term? So this term basically is the eco-friendly. Green terms generally used for the eco-friendly. So suppose any person is in manufacturing. In manufacturing means, so suppose just any person manufacturing, any person from the industrial, any person from the design, any thermal, some person from the electrical engineer, civil engineer, and everywhere. So what aspect we are saying? So everywhere is a green. Not only suppose power sector, grid sectors, everywhere is a green technology. So where we can sustain our economy, eco-friendly environment. Okay. So just keeping the things go green. Okay, need to go green. So there was a committee form. So that was a committee form, and that was called the Millennium Project. Okay, the Millennium Project was initiated by the near about the 50 countries all over the world. The 50 countries which are the very much very much concerned about the sustainable. So how we can sustain? Why can sustain our countries? How sustain the world? So 50 country make a group. That project was known as the Millennium Project. Still it is continuing. So they have to decided some major areas. Okay, so I will not take the reference, but reference was available. Just I forget it. Okay, so 15 global challenges facing the humanity. Because all the technology or whatever you are saying, that is for the humanity. So we have to facing the pandemic of the corona. So we can challenge, everybody has challenges to the life of the people. Either it may be any country, either developed country, a developing country, a poor country, everybody facing the same problem. The same problem, if the problem is there, so how we can sustain? So for the sustain, and we have to develop ourselves. So this was 1996, this Millennium Project was developed. So they have choose the particularly globe the 15 challenges. 15 challenges means, and first one is the sustainable development and the climate changes. And everybody is concerned, either suppose just ice is just freezing, ice is just blowing, suppose any kind of the change in the environment. So there is a very much problems. Okay. So first one is the sustainable and clean water and populations and the democratizations in a long-term perspective and the global convergence and the rich-poor gap and the health issues, capacity to devise peace and the conflicts, the status of the woman and transitions of the organization's crime, energies, science, technology, and globe and ethics. So you will find every aspect of the life has been covered by these five topics. Every topic has a very vast topic. Okay, so that was a concern. How a sustainable things is the very important. Okay, so this sustainable. So of course these countries were very much concerned about these things. So now we have the alternative, the wind and solar power are the increasing interest of the society, and due to its prospect and the environmentally friendly source of the renewable energy. Okay, और क्या हो सकता है? Saving of resource of energy and reducing the impact on the environment are the most important for the sustainability. Okay, sustainability. So the one important technology, we are talking about we are not going to cover all these 15 global issues. Just we are going to sustainable properties for the green tribology. Okay, so now we are coming to the green tribology. So how this the new concept of the green tribology. Tribology terms are you familiar now? Tribology आपने बताया था. Tribology 3 term है. Tribo means wear, three term is there. So this wear, and friction, and another is the lubrications. These three terms is called the tribos. Okay, tribology. So tribos means rubbing. Okay, so wear means wear and frictions, all these other lubrications. Three area of the subject is there. So this term sustainable tribology. So what is the term? Green tribology are this sustainable tribology. How it can be sustained? Sustain means has been defined as the science and the technology of the tribological aspect of the ecological balance. हमने क्या बताया था? Ecological are the eco-friendly, ठीक है? Eco-friendly balance of the environmental and the biological impact. Okay, so that basically हमने बताया कि the subject is a very old, but that subject get the recognition very late. So that tribology, but now that it has been recognized. So ये person of the America, US is the H.P. Jost. Okay, so Jost actually he ignited the people and he just raised the governments of his country and not his country, UK and US. And he saw such kinds of the study if you will do, so how you can change your so ecological system as well the environmental and the biological impact. Okay, and he will also, so I will come to his report. So he given a report that is a very renownedly known as the H.P. Jost report. Okay, H.P. Jost report for the tribology. So all the tribology people are very much thankful to Mr. Jost. So this one. So how this sustainable tribology? So this sustainable tribology, either we can say the global sustainable development. How this globally can be sustained? Yeah, how globally this tribology can be make the important part. So just we can see over here. So energy saving, how we can save the energy. So I will come there are 12 principles of the green tribology, the sustainable tribology. So one by one I will discuss. So I'm coming in few minutes. And then the sustainable tribology is the environmental benefit, how energy can be saved and how the environment can be benefited and how the cost can be reduced and how the social progress. So this subject can be involved by this way. So every subject, not only the sustainable tribology, here we are talking about the tribology, important tribology, but any other subject also make the such kind of the challenges. So what are the energy saving? Are there any source? And what are this benefit of this environmental effect? And how we can reduce the any kinds of technology, any kinds of the technique is only used for the cost effective. कोई टेक्नोलॉजी हमारे पास तो है, still we cannot use that technology. Why we cannot use this technology? Because they are the very much costlier. If it will be cheapest, then it is available to all. तो हमारा पर्पस क्या होना चाहिए? The technology should be in such a manner that may be available to all. So that is our aspect of the life in the social progress. Okay, this one. So also we can see here. So the chain of the sustainable tribology. Just we can say the quality. Quality means how we can make the quality so a person can be sustained for the long life. Suppose long life and just how. So there is a low wear rate in the surface damage, in low friction, in the high friction. So suppose sometimes we have to require the low friction. Suppose the dissipation of energy. If dissipation of energy is the very high, so in that case there may be more energy losses. तो हमें क्या करना है? We have to require the low frictions. High friction means क्या required हमें? High friction in the case of the environmental and health issues. So we can reduce this friction due to the fuel consumptions in use of the toxic lubricants and the particle generations. In increased क्या करना use of this one? Renewable lubricants, renewable fuels and the recycled materials. It is so that we can reduce one. So reduce the heat generation, so long life will be there. So just we can less maintenance repair and the downtime. So just I'm not going to one topic, but one topic is for the any industry, any kinds of the production unit is suffering with the downtime. Downtime means I think are you getting my point? So one term is the downtime. One term is the downtime. Downtime plays a very major role in case of the means any industry. Downtime. Downtime means suppose you have any component of the machine, and that machine is going to very frequently damage. Okay, damage, yeah, just it is required to a lot of the repairment. So how many times this machine may be the ideal? It will be not work for a very long time. So that time is basically called the downtime. Suppose a unit where you are preparing some kinds of the component, and that machine is going to failure, and due to this failure, and we have not any alternative, so this material, this machine is ideally for the very long time. So this is the downtime. So downtime we have to decrease as much as possible. So there should be high productions to reduce. Okay, so this is the meaning of that one. Okay, and another this one. So low materials consumptions. So raw material saving, all these things. So ecological saving and the energy saving. So these are the aspect of the tribology. How the quality means long life quality. Long life quality not only for the component of the machine, for the human being as well. Okay, so these are the several issues. So this sustainable tribology highlights the fundamental aspect of the sustainable development of the addressing the practical functions of the engineering problem to improve efficiency and the durability. So what is the reason and how they can be do? So by minimizing the cost of the system to benefit the consumers, and by reducing the material resource in energy consumption to protect the environment. So these things is required. Not only we can reduce, optimize. So optimize क्या करना है? Minimize the cost. Cost minimize हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा? So this technology will be approached to everyone, and system to benefit the consumptions and reducing the materials resource in energy consumption to protect the environment. Okay, so this is the means cost, and consequently through a sustainable tribology, social progress and social growth can be achieved by means readily improving the people's well-being and the life quality. So these 5 things what we have to derive over here, so that can be means environmental, economical, energy, and the quality. Okay, so this one. If anybody interested to ask in between, so I have no any problem. Okay, so I can reply. If you have any queries, any kind of the means curiosity, you can ask me in between. Okay, so I don't know the protocol of the presentation, but anyway, but you can interfere me in between if you wish. Okay, so here we have to discuss about the terms H.P. Jost. So this H.P. Jost is the one person who give a report. Oh, that report was given in the 1966. You can imagine this is not the very old time. This is the only 1966. Jost given a report. So that's a very renownedly known as a Jost report. Just report. He write a book. Jost report. He write a book. He write the every aspect of the means machine component to the live component, how a tribology can be used. So he just report, and just this report was not only kept with him, and he populate it with the government of the US and the means UK and everywhere. So what we have founding. So just the report was first officially document introducing, and that report make the official document for the all other country, not all other country, but US and UK and all the European countries and Singapore, they have to keep their report, and this is the official mandatory. So for any kind of the industry, any kind of the offices, they have to take the care of this Jost report. Okay, so annual tribological losses. So just he introduced what is the annual tribological losses in the energetic and the economical waste. Means in terms of the energy losses and as well as in terms of the means economic losses, money losses. So according to its estimate, UK could save approximately this euro 500 million per year, means 1.5% of the GDP. Suppose just only one technology and only one suggestions can improve the economy of a country by the 1.5% of the GDP. And US could save excess of the means $16 billion per year by the better tribological practice. So that is the reason this government make it the mandatory in all offices. Okay, so just you can see. So in other we can say 1/3 of the world primary energy consumptions. Okay, means from the fourth part, 1/3 is consumed by this one only. Primary energy consumption of which about the 20%. कितना 20% in motor cars, 9% in the aeroplane piston engines, and 1 to 2% in the turbojet engine, and 80% of the equipment failure cause a huge losses. So just you can see, either you can imagine any component. Suppose just you are running a machine, just you are running any machine, and this machine component, either just we are running a vehicle. So this vehicle is not maintenance. So we are not making a servicing time to time. So just we are thinking we are saving the economy, all these things, but the component is going to damage by the time if we have not make the maintenance, all these things. Okay, so that is a reason we have to keep things very means up to date. Okay, so that is a reason. So however, 50 years later, after 50 years of this one, later around a tenth of this saving have been achieved, but even this small percentage, so gigantic energy saving on the large scale. This is not a very large percentage of the energy saving, but very small percent, 20 or 25% of the saving of the energy. So that is a gigantic energy, means giga, not only the mega, all these things, giga. Okay, large scale, such a scale. So this one. Okay, so it has been estimated that approximately 11% of the total energy annually consumed in US is the 4 major area. कौन-कौन से 4 major area है? So we can also particularly categorize the which area should be more concentrated. The first one is the transportation, and another is the turbo machineries, and another is the power generation and the industrial process. हमने बताया था ना कि sometimes we are not required to generate the novel materials or novel kinds of the things, but we can produce sometimes the novel process. So this novel process itself is the a very means efficient to reduce the our economy, means improve our economy. Okay, so this one. So these 4 areas can be covered in this green tribologies. Okay, directly affect the economy, reducing. So what is this one? So waste and the extending equipment life, and improve the economically and technologically and environmental balance, and reduce the carbon footprint of the mechanical system, helping the mitigations of the climate changes, and thus improve in general the sustainability and safety of the human society. So this one is the very important terms, the green tribology. I think you have understand the what is the means of the this sustainable, green sustainable, all such kinds of thing is there. Okay, so this one. Okay, so this either we are calling the sustainable or green tribology. So this green tribology include the technology that mimics. Okay, mimics means just we can make the means mimic हम लोग mimicry बोलते हैं. Mimicry means copy of the one person by the another person. That is a mimic, a mimicry. So mimics living nature. That is a biomimetic surfaces. So how we can something eco-friendly we are calling. So we are calling the mimics. Mimics everybody is familiar. The mimicry करते हैं हम लोग किसी चीज का, ठीक है. So we have to not do the mimicry of the any other person. So what is the environment? Yeah, what is the means natural given things is available around us. So can we mimic of that one? So this mimic living nature. जो example लिखा था, just will coming to the point. The mimic the living nature. Living nature means what is the live kind of thing is there. So all the technology or any kinds of the design is not come to the any scientist mind. Suppose जैसे न्यूटन आपका है, न्यूटन बोलते हैं कि just he realize कि why this mango is coming down only. Okay, so Isaac Newton, so that he make some kind of the senses. So the gravitational force effect is came. So similarly, so mimic living nature and biomimetic surfaces. So here we are not going to detail of that one, but only the surface. Here we want to take we can take the example of the only surfaces. If we can improve not the internal, suppose ऐसे हम लोग कोई body पढ़ते हैं, suppose body, so this body is given, all you are very much familiar. तो हम लोग body में क्या देखते हैं? Suppose either we can either pull it, either we can push it also, either we can push it also. तो resulting क्या होगा? अगर हम इसको push करते हैं, then we can extend some length. अगर pull करते हैं तो diameter थोड़ा change हो जाएगा, ठीक है. तो what is the internal? Most of the time we are not bother about. Okay, so just we are making the equilibrium of this body. Okay, so मैकेनिक्स सिंपल पढ़ते हैं हम लोग, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या करना है हमें, बायोमेमिक, जैसे हमने बताया था एक लोटस, लीफ ऑफ द लोटस. Leaf of the lotus means we are not concentrated about the structure of this one. So how the structure surface is over there, and how the surface is there, and how beautiful structure is there. So the meaning of biomimetic is this one. Means biomimetic, yeah, that is a living things available in our environment. So that is a biomimetic. Thus aspect of be the environmental friendly, that is a green. I think this terms clear, green. So technology that mimics the living nature, biomimetic surfaces, and thus it expect to be environment friendly. Environment friendly होना चाहिए, ठीक है ना, कि that can be losses our environment. So green technology can be viewed in the broader extent of the two, that is green areas. कौन-कौन से two green area है? Green engineering and green chemistry. So we are not going to cover the green chemistry. जैसे हमने बताया था ना, green chemistry, green production, green manufacturing, anything which is a eco means that is eco-friendly is called the green. So here green engineering is defined. How we can define it? So design. The particular terms is design. So design not a very single term. Design has a very much significant meaning is there. So this commercializations in use of the process and produce that are the technically and economically feasible while minimizing. So क्या होगा? Generation of the pollution at the sources and risk of the human health and environment. So that will be very much used to this one. So these three tiers of the green engineering. So three tiers or three states of the green engineering to assessment the design is the involved. क्या design है? Process research. What we can define this green engineering. So green engineering, this green assessment we can define by this design involve the process research and the development and the conceptual preliminary design and the detailed design pollution preventions. What is the process, heat, energy, integration process and the mass integrations. So green chemistry define नहीं करेंगे हम लोग. So define is the design of the chemical products and the process that reduce the eliminations use of the generation of the hazardous substance. So green chemistry से हमने नहीं बोला कि we are nowadays people are using very much processed food. Processed food हम लोग use कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. So processed food so क्या करते हैं? So a lot of chemical is there. So that chemical is very much toxic and that is a means very much hazardous to our means life. So sometimes someone is the element is responsible for the cancer, someone is for the heart disease. A lot of things is there. So we have to make very much care. Okay. So that should be. So we are not going to green chemistry. So there are the basically 12 principles of the green tribology. So these 12 had been the means that is a very vast area. So I am not going to cover so one by one, but I am just we will cover to these two broad, but we will see what is the means in this one. So minimizations of the heat and energy dissipations. A lot of component is there where is a lot of heat dissipations, and due to heat dissipations, sometimes component going to the failure, or sometimes component is going to the means failure, or sometimes. So these are the very good losses, and that cannot be compensated. तो हमें क्या करना है? So how we can minimize the wear? Wear means suppose just what is how the losses of the material during the dissipations of the heat. Once the two component is under the sliding, so which kind of the responsible force is required to make the such kinds of the. So sometimes this component damage like this one, some component damage like this one. So what will be there? So these kinds of the things may be optimized. The minimum wear should be during the sliding, during the impacting, during the means moving the components. Okay. So this one and reductions of the complete eliminations of the lubrications and the self lubrication. Reductions are complete elimination of lubrications and the self lubrications. So this part of the lubrications means suppose how we can suppose sometimes the chattering all these things is possible between these two components, a gear, whatever you can make it. So sometimes oiling all these things is there, and sometimes heat may be dissipated due to the such kind of thing is there. तो हमें देखना है possibilities क्या हो रहा है, heat dissipate हो रहा है. So this will be adverse effect, yeah, that is a favorable effect. We have to check it. In natural lubrications means so water is the one of the lubricant which is available abundant. Okay, but we are not means familiar to how can use water as a lubricant. So water can be used as a petrol, water can be used as a diesel, and water can be used in the several way, but we cannot process it at the similar kinds of the temperature, pressure, and what environment is there. But water we can say is a good lubricant. Okay, then biodegradable lubrications. So suppose we are nowadays we are making the natural kinds of the greases, natural greases, and the means artificial greases. Artificial greases, the problem is the degradations. So how we can make it the biodegradable? How this grease, because a lubricant, artificial lubricant, nowadays grease and suppose there's some more viscous material is frequently make nowadays. Okay, so when the nanotechnology came, so there was a very much revolution in the nanotechnology. So nanopores, nano lubricant, nanoparticles, we have to add a lot of things, but resulting is there the biodegradable. So we can, restriction is there, we cannot use all the alternative material as the lubricant particle, but we can use the some biodegradable material only. Okay, and green chemistry or sustainable chemistry means green engineering principles. Green chemistry means what kind of the chemical we are using, and that should be the environment friendly, not the our health issues only. So another is the biomimetic aspect and the surface texturing. So I will cover these two topics. So by this 12 principle, so here in this lecture I have designed to cover these two topics: biomimetic approaches and the surface texturing. Okay, second part is the surface texturing, and biomimetic I will come, and surface texturing will also come. So environmental implications of the coatings. So nowadays, suppose some component is there, and that component and continuously under the some kind of the pressure or some kind of the contact. So what alternative is there? So alternative is there. Suppose some friction with another materials, it is under the friction. So these two materials, when direct will be contact, so they will damage to each other. So we will avoid this direct contact of these two materials, and we can provide the some kind of the coating over the surfaces, because once some damage, this kinds with the, if any kinds of damage or any kinds of the sliding will take place, so it will make the coating damage to the coating only. But nowadays a lot of technology has been developed, so we can develop a very good coating. Okay, so CBT, PVD, all the coating is there. So this coating may be resistance to wear and friction. So that is a very good alternative nowadays. Okay, so coating is the nowadays is a very vast new technology today. Okay, design for the degradation. Degradation means that may be the biodegradable. Okay, not it can be sustained for the long time in the environment. Suppose one use plastic, second use plastic, third use plastic. The plastic, why the plastic is banned? Due to these reasons. And another thing is there, real-time monitoring. Also, and we have to optimize so our parameters in such a manner we can optimize the real parameter. Suppose in case of the boiler, in case of the steam turbines, so sometimes we are finding just we are observing the news, such kinds of the accident take place. So few engineers and few workers lost their life, and due to the some kind of the fault of the component or fault of the any kinds of the fault is there. So that's only possible because we are not, some component is still we are not able to the real time monitoring. So real time monitoring is the very important. Suppose something, so some regulator is there. So why regulator we are using? We can regulate the things, but how we have to regulate? And we have to not any information that this thing is going beyond to this one. So if we are not coming to know that this is the limit of this instrument, and now it is going to beyond this one. So if we cannot monitor it, then how we can regulate it? The important thing is there the real time monitoring, but real time monitoring now the PID controller, a lot of controller is there. So people are using very frequently. The electronics and electrical people are doing very well in the control system. Okay, so technology is going to improve. And sustainable energy applications. Sustainable energy applications means so which kinds of the energy, and that cannot be dissipate more, and that can should be the environment friendly. So these are the different theories, and that was given by this one. So these are the very vast. So all these are the all 12 principles are very much used, but we are not going to concern all these 12. But we can see how the biomimetics and the approach and the surface texturing. Okay, so one by one we'll discuss. So we will come to this point. Okay, so there are three focus areas of the tribology having the greatest impact on the environment. Environment is two. Okay, so what are these three? In one is the biomimetic, in another self-lubricating materials, in the surfaces. Okay, just a minute. So this biomimetic, because we are delivering lecture for the 55 minutes only, na? So after 55 minutes we want rest. Anyway, no problem. I will continue as much as possible. So biomimetic self-lubricating materials. So another is a biodegradable or the environment-friendly lubricants. Okay. So tribology of the renewable and the sustainable resource of the energy. But we will cover this only. Okay. So what is the means of this biomimetic? I am coming in biodegradable and environmental friendly. Biodegradable means what kinds of plastic we are using, means polymer is there, and tribology of the renewable and sustainable sources. Okay. So what is the means of the biomimetic? Okay. So this biomimetic and the environment friendly lubrications are the manufacturing or the operation based approach, whereas the tribology of the renewable energy is energy production based approach. Okay. So these two things. Now so what is the biomimetic and example of the biomimetic? Okay. Bio means is the living things, we can say, and mimetic means just we can make the means copy of that technique, that is structure. So by using the biomimetics, you will finding a building has been done. Reference my isme bhi I think forget to write, but this is this building is made in the Italy. So this building called that is a Palazzo Italia. That Palazzo Italia building, and that it's the smog. Okay, smog. Okay. It's this building is the smog. So what is the meaning of this one? Smog. Smog means what kind of the means some kind of the means carbon footprint or any other things, and that can be around to the building, so it can be soaked. It can be soaked, and it can be refined as well. Okay, so this engineered biodynamic scheme that consumes smoke and takes pollution out of the air. So they have to generate this building. This building is completely made of the glass in the structures of the steel, and they have make this particular design. This particular design, जैसे हम लोग का एक डलिया होता था पहले, प्लास्टिक का डलिया होता था, then handle was there, so we are using like that one. So they have to make the structure. Several kinds of the structure is there. In that structures, जैसे भी हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कि सब we can make the anything. Just we can make things like this one. Suppose this can be more strength if we can provide this as well also. And this can be again more strength if we can provide to this one also. This one also. And it can be provided again further once we have to provide. So this one. This one. So finally, क्या होगा? So natural fiber, whatever we are making nowadays. So based on this one. So as small as possible, we can make the cavities, all these things, and also we have to make some kind of the sensor, some kind of the things, and that can be sense such kinds of the means carbon particle is there. So this carbon particle can be soaked by this building. So that is a smoke eating. So they have to develop from all over the building, around all the buildings. So this is a very good examples of the enemies alive building. And the Palazzo Italia consumes 40% of the energy than a conventional building of its size and emits zero pollutions. So suppose just such a vast building is there, there may be several ACs, several kinds of the instruments, several kinds of the components, several UPS, all these things will be there. So what kinds of the energy they have dissipated, they will consume means 40% of this one. So they emit the zero pollutions. They are not emitting any kind of the pollutions. So suppose all buildings are like this one only, so where we can control. So most of the time I think means the structures of the means our airports are trying to make by this one only. Okay, in the future you will found, so everywhere you will use the polymer. So novel materials in future, novel materials will be the polymer. So there is no any doubt. And the ceramic is the only problem. It is a brittle one. Once ceramic will be converted as a ductile, so there may be another revolution in this world. Polymer ceramic. There will be no any piece of the iron we will see around, and I think after 50 years or the more than 100 years. So that time will be also come. Okay. So this is the very means greenhouse, and this greenhouse, but only structure of this one. So we can biomimetic. Why I will see the example of the biomimetic. So just we have to adjust it. So by the why it is a biomimetic. So from what is the principle to generate this building. So just we can see the several kinds of the component it has been experimented and how they can be soak the particle. So the similar structures has been developed around this one. They can be naturally soak the smoke, this carbon footprints. Okay, so that is the reason it's called this biomimetic. It's inspired by the our environment only. So this thing, biomimetic materials are also usually environment friendly in a natural way, since they are the natural part of the ecosystem. For the reason the biomimetic approach is the tribological is the particularly promising. In the area biomimetic surface, a number of ideas have been suggested. So you can see over here. So I think everybody is familiar about the lotus. So lotus is a very beautiful flower, but we are not bothered about their leaves. So their leaf has a very good quality, very good structure, and that has the super hydrophobicity. Okay, super means they have the very good property of the hydrophobicity. Hydrophobicity means water means repellent or water absorbent. Both conditions may be possible. Okay, so this is one of the best example of the surface which can be the water absorbed as well the water repellent as well. Once we have to keep this one. Okay, so what is the reason is there, and what is the reason? So people, a scientist is trying to explore it. So हम लोगों ने क्या study किया? The surface. All the study over the surface come under the tribology. So the tribologists think, so what is the structure of this lotus leaf which is responsible to show such such super hydrophobicity. तो क्या structure मिला हमको? Lotus leaf, that is a Nelumbo nucleophores, which inside part subsurface of the this leaf. And Bhushan et al. Bharat Bhushan is the Indian, but he is based in the US. So he has made a lot of research in this area. So just we can see this is the SEM effect, scale electron microscope, scanning electron microscope. So what is this structure? So these are the responsible. So we can see over here in how a droplet of the lotus leaf. Okay, so just a drop is the very you can realize, you can see even then its image of a simple drop and how it has been contact over the surface. You can visualize very well. There is no any kind of the dispersion and no any kind of the hatching, all these things. But you can clearly mention. Just you can make a ball and you can show the age. So you can show the age of this one. It is a particular age. Okay. So what the quality or what the things that make it stick over here. And once we have can tilt it, it will go again also. And also one quality is there. So this quality, so this is the biomimetic. अभी हमें क्या करना है? I want to generate such kinds of surface over which some lubricant droplet may remain like this one. They cannot be just dispersed from here. They may be remain. A lot of component of machine is there where we have to require the droplet of the lubricant. So people, this scientist, a tribologist is trying to develop this surface. Still they are able to make these surfaces still. So this one, this is the droplet of the Rosa versus the barrage. The scientists try to develop such skins of the lotus by this Roja versus the barrage. Okay, so what they're finding, the 0-degree tilt angle, in there is such a quality when we can tilt it in opposite to 180 degree, still this droplet remain over here. So this is the quality of the either means repellent as well as the absorbent. This is the both quality is available in this lotus leaf. So if we can make such kind of the biomimetic in our, so हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं इसको, reverse engineering. The technology is available and we natural this structure now we come to know because we have the now a good technology. TM is there, SEM is there, HRSEM is there, HRTM is there. So we can see the structure. So now the scientists at Travelodge is making the reverse technology. And reverse technology means we are trying to develop this such kind of the structure. Okay, so this is the reverse technology we can develop. So this is Rosa and Ra. So they have developed such structures and founding these effects. Okay, so this one. And another, and all we are familiar about the lizards. And this called the gecko effect. What is the means of gecko effect? So this is a very good structure property and how this beautiful lizard can be climbed on the wall and can be down from the wall without any kinds of the fall. So the reason is there and scientists try to make it. So what is the over their surfaces? So how these surfaces? So what is the surfaces over here? And so once we have to make the structure like this one, so what we have to observe? So they have observed there's a very fine kinds of the structure, fine kinds of the structure. In these structures are pattern like this one. हमें क्या दिखता है, हम लोग के हाथ में भी क्या दिखता है, just we have to see a finger and that finger what we are observing, and we are observing these are the thumb, so just we are observing, so these kinds of the impression over here, what impression is there, and how this impression can be, why a people cannot stick over the wall. So what is the reason? Because we have not this particular structure we have not available, and this particular structure we have not available. अब देखेंगे क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे. So there is a one thick surface, but here what you are observing, suppose this thick, here we will observe there are thousands of the pores is there, here we cannot imagine by our naked eye, but we will observe there are thousands of pores is there. In that pores basically create a kind of the vacuum over here. In that vacuum make the stick over the surfaces. So this create the vacuums. This create a vacuum over here. In that vacuum actually make stick over the any kind of a surface. One vacuum, and they can be stick as well, and they can easily evacuate as well. तो यहाँ पे कंडीशन ये है, हमारा कंडीशन ये नहीं कि बस हमें स्टिक कर लेना है. आफ्टर द स्टिक, जैसे यहाँ पे भी हमने देखा, इट इज नॉट ओनली द स्टिक. इससे हमने आपको यहाँ पे दिखाएंगे, अभी आपको एग्जांपल दिखाएंगे. यहाँ पे ये ड्रॉपलेट है, बट ड्रॉपलेट कैन बी आल्सो क्लीन इट. अभी बाद में आएंगे इस पे. चलो. So what is this one? So this can create the vacuum. So this structure basically is required to explore. The people are trying to make this one. So this is the stick boat, means robots has been generated by this one. So here in our student also generated one such kind of the boat, and that can be using to the pond of the, it's not a wall stick. अच्छा अभी दूसरे पाएंगे हम लोग. तो उन्होंने वो बनाया हुआ, स्टीम बनाया हुआ है for the case of the water. So they have to generate these kinds of the artificial robot, and they can be also climb. They have to try to explore this structure. So by the reverse engineering. So this is the biomimetic. So by this one, suppose if we are able to generate such kinds of the things, तो क्या हो जाएगा हमें? The people will start to climbing on the wall? No. So that technology can be used for the several things there. Several things we can stick, we can wall, and a lot of things there. And so just we can create these structures. Okay. In one thing is there, just we will observe, and we all are very much familiar about the shark. Shark is a very, very vast fish, and it is also a very dangerous fish in the sea. Okay. So, but it is a very much dynamic. It is a very vast, and it is a very dynamic. the region of the dynamic is there, their skin structure. They can be they can make the any movement at the any angle with the any time, and that is a reason. Means if a shark is there and another fish is there, so shark can make the more kinds of the dynamic effect comparative to the another fish. So only reason is there. So they have the specific kinds of the pattern over their surfaces. So what we can do it? Suppose in such kinds of the skin, if you can generate it in a few components, suppose in case of the aeroplane, any other kinds of the things where we have to record the dynamic kinds of the means dynamic kinds of the motion, so they can be used very fast. But people can be questioned. So these are used in the means in the water only. Either it can be also used in the open environment. So if the scientist has been trying to make these structures, so there are several kinds of challenges is there. So how this will be sustained in case of the means open environment. Okay, so all these are the very challenging area so far. Okay, so people are trying to know, but still it is a very much challenging area. Okay, so this क्या होता है? What is the reason for this one? So they have to make the suppression of the turbulences. Jैसे water क्या भाई? Suppose still water is there, so these are the turbulence of the water. Turbulence of the water. Once a shark is passing from over here, so they can be suppression. They can be suppressions of this one. This flow they can be suppressed very easily by this one. Means they can be क्या कर सकते हैं इसको? They can be break very easily by this structure. क्या करते हैं? इसको suppress कर सकते हैं. Any kind of the flow. So they can be. There is no any resistance of the means water flow for this skin. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? There are several kinds of the means technology where you are using. So we can use this suppressions of the turbulence. Suppose in case of the medical, this is the very much used in the medical. So this structure can be used in the very medical, in our save the life of the people. Okay. So one another thing is there, fish effect. So this called the fish scale effect. This is also in this fish fouling. One term. So suppose because all the breezes over the dam, over the Ganga, over the any river. So what is the conditions of this dam? A lot of saliva is there, a lot of kinds of the fungus is there, a lot of thing is there. So what is the reason there is no any kinds of the fungus over the surface of any fish? So what is the reason? So what kinds of the thing is there? So what is the this there? So the term is the anti-fouling, anti-biofouling. So on their structures, though the fish structures, we can make the fish structures, any kinds of the structures over there. So they have the several kinds of the several kinds of the thing is there, several kinds of things. So a effect of the biofouling, the effect of the biofouling is there. तो हमें क्या करना है? In this biofouling is taking places over here. The reason is there, a lot of fungus and there. हमें क्या करना है? Anti-biofouling is over their surfaces. So what kinds of the structure is there? In what kinds of the adhesion, all these things there. In what kinds of the element is present over there? This structure is still to explore. So people are trying to do it, but still a lot of field can be explored in the area of this one. Okay. So still people are trying to develop such things. Skin tribology. Nowadays people are trying to skin tribology. Skin tribology means after a certain time of the period, our veins are going to veins stability or veins strength is going to decreasing. तो में क्या होता है? Blood clotting, all these things is possible. So now people are trying to how the veins means how the flow of the blood in the range. So these kinds of the technology is also veins, that is skin tribology. So we are not going to cover over here. Okay. So but for this case skin, what is the element, what kinds of the structure is responsible to make the anti-biofouling, which is not make this kinds of the scaling over the surfaces. So this technology is still people are trying to make the fouling. Suppose अगर ऐसा हो जाए तो कितना there is no maintenance, no things is there. Any things can be sustained for the long time in the water. So this will be again one revolutions to the generations of this antibiofilin. And another we can see over here. This is the beetle. This desert beetle. Okay, हम लोग क्या इसको बोलते हैं? गबरेला क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? I think. So this is a desert beetle. So what is the quality of this one? Can you imagine any times? Just we have to see it and throw it like this one. But nobody see it. It can be extract water, even the sand. डिजर्ट में इसको बोलते हैं. डिजर्ट में कहीं भी पानी नहीं होता है, लेकिन अगर जहां पे पॉसिबिलिटी भी नहीं है पानी का, इवन ही कैन एक्सट्रैक्ट इट. सो व्हाट इज द रीजन? In nothing, no any technology he is applying, because naturally he has got such kinds of the skin, such kinds of the water capturing surface of the fused over wings. ये water capturing capacity है. So this surface take the capillary actions. Due to this capillary action, and just he will try to stick the sand, and he will make the it will take the water from that sand, source of the water from that sand in this one. So they have to make a beautiful structures over here. And they have the that is retained. It can be retained for a very long time of this water. So this is the structure. This structure has the very beautiful structures, and this structure has the capability to retain the water. तो हमारे पास क्या है? Suppose a lot of component, machine component is there. Either we can say the liner and piston, and we can say the some kinds of the hunning, a combo. All these things is there. Suppose just we can try to explore this surface over the material, and we can make the some kinds of the droplet of the oil over here, so they can be retained for the very long time. अभी हमें क्या करना है? हमको oil retain यहाँ पर नहीं कराना है. So we will try to produce some kind of we can try to pour the self lubrication. I think you know very well. Graphite is the one of the self lubricating material. So we can split the graphite over here. Either you can say the MoS2, MoS2, molybdenum disulfide is a self lubricating material. HBN we can say the hydro boron nitride, HBN hydroboron nitride is all other self lubricating materials. So if we can develop such a structure, so we will be able to make a revolutions over the surface. Okay, so these are the biomimetic. So reverse technology still people has trying to develop. So this one यहाँ पे हमने क्या दिखाया था आपको? So just we can see. So this is a droplet of the how it can be dropped and how it can be stick, all these things. And this one, and here I want to show this silk we are generating by the principles of this spider. A spider can generate means 10 lakh or 10 lakh, more than 10 lakhs meter of a this silk thread. A single, just you can observe it. How big it? एक स्पाइडर कितना बड़ा देखते हैं हम लोग? इतना बड़ा स्पाइडर दिखता है, इतना बड़ा उसका मुंह होता है, 8 उसके होते हैं, ठीक है. So how it is able to generate 1 लाख मीटर, 1 लाख मीटर का ये सिल्क बना सकता है. So by this silk, the people are still trying to explore what is the substances of this silk and how it is able a small kinds of these insects is developed is such kinds of the beautiful pattern as well as such long kinds of the resins, what we can say this silk. And this is a very beautiful silk. So we can just only can break it, but लेकिन क्या कर सकते हैं इसको? अगर एक स्टील है अगर इसको भी है, अगर इसको हम लोग एक यूनिफॉर्म डायरेक्शन से करेंगे, यूनी एक्सियल डायरेक्शंस में ब्रेक करेंगे, it cannot be break but it can be extend. But only thing is there, we have to control the direction of this one. So how we can control the direction of this one? So this is a very good biomimetic example. So by the spider, the people are exploring to develop the silk. So by this silk, they can generate the beautiful pattern of the class. Okay. So all these are the biomimetics. So you can see over here. So this is the oleophobic effect. It is based on the cell clinic and the anti-fouling surface. जैसे आप नहीं देखते हैं कि सब आप एवरीबडी इज यूजिंग द मींस एट द अभी सभी लोग स्क्रीन लगाते हैं इस पे, ठीक है. सो टफ्ड ग्लास लगाते हैं इन द मोबाइल पे या सम लैपटॉप में ऑल द वे. So how it can be self clean all the things, but if you can use the oleophobic effect means there is the means any screen, once you have to pour a drop of the water, it will seems like a lubricant. This lubricant, all color of the rainbow will be seen on this one. So this is this one effect. This effect is now people are trying to reverse engineering. And one important thing is there. So सभी लोगों ने इसे देखा हुआ इसको, ठीक है. So this is the स्ट्राइडर, वाटर स्ट्राइडर, ठीक है. पानी का इसको भौरा बोलते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है. इस रन वेरी फास्ट विदाउट फेल्यूर ऑन द वाटर. सो व्हाट इज द रीजन इज देयर. सो दिस कैपिलरी इफेक्ट या एनी अफेक्ट surface effect over there, a surface effect is there. So much thin is there. So it is so thin, like a thread, like a very thin thread. So how it can be possible? So once you have to observe it, so you will find this structure. This structure basically, what is the structure of this one? So this structure we can see over here. ये नैनो स्केल में है. तो यहाँ पे देखिए क्या होता है, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, नैनो स्केल ग्रुप्ड. एक चीज हमने बना दिया है. सो जस्ट वी हैव टू मेक ए थिंग इज लाइक दिस वन. जस्ट वी कैन मेक ए थिंग. सपोज हमने कोई एक थिंग जैसे बनाया हुआ है. सो जस्ट वी हैव टू मेक ए पैटर्न, अनदर पैटर्न ऑफ द सेम थिंग, अनदर पैटर्न ऑफ द सेम थिंग. सो दिस कैन बी जनरेट. ये मीन्स क्या जनरेट कर रहा है ये, इट इज जनरेट द ग्रुप्स. इट इज जनरेटेड ग्रुप्स. जैसे नहीं हमारे ग्रुप, सपोज जस्ट वी कैन से द ग्रुप्स. सो ऑल सपोज this kinds of group, this kinds of group, and this kinds of the group. So it is generated between the groups. These are the groups, small groups. These groups. So these groups. So this is the nanoscale groups. Basically, these all groups has the capacity to retain, means sustain with the water. So that is the reason it cannot be fall at any time. Once it will be try to make it. Okay. So that is a very good example. If a human being can make such a structure on their foot, either the leg. So what we will there, we will also able to move like this on the water. Okay. So people are trying. So here one person, what I am saying. So in our here one person, students has make the boat. So that boat not for this principle. But that is another principle. It can be collect all the garbage, everything of the ponds. So that was the experimental. But this can be also possible. A robot has been made by the different people. So, but it is successfully can walk by this one without falling over the surfaces. The only important thing is there. So they have to generate. So this one, okay, this one, this is structure. Okay? So all these are the reverse engineering. So we can make it the reverse engineering of all these biomimetics. Some other example is also there, but we can make the reverse engineering to make our life. So what are the challenges of this sustainable tribology or the green tribology? Okay, so this is a very new field of the green tribology. So number of challenges. What are the challenges? Okay, sorry, there was some kinds of the interference of the network. So it's okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So this one. So these are the challenges of the sustainable tribology or the tribology. So development of the other related areas like the green chemistry and the green engineering in their integrations, how we can collaborate this engineering to the chemistry. Chemistry is also very important. Chemistry means not the means some kinds of the reactions, organic, inorganic chemistry. Chemistry means such kinds of the effect. Effect means, so suppose what kinds of the means chemistry means just we are making the toxic and untoxic things. Okay, so I think this topic. Then another part is the texturing. Okay, texturing as we have to see, all are the example of texturing as well. Biomimetic example लेकर के हमने texture दिखाया था. All these are the beautiful texture like this one. This is also a very beautiful texture. So we can see over here. What is the meaning of the texturing? So in texturing means this is the surface treatment. Either we can improving the tribological performance. So this texturing nowadays very much used in the manufacturing. In the manufacturing technology. Suppose manufacturing technology, in case of the rolling, in case of the sheet metal, in case of the milling, a lot of means all these where places these are using. Okay, so I will just introduce you, not very much detail, but this is a very good area to explore the research. Okay, so this surface texturing is one of the surface engineering. Okay, so surface engineering means that is a part of the tribology only technique which regard the structural modification by addition or the removal of the chemical alteration of the materials. So nowadays we are not trying to suppose what is the surface. So this surface is there. And so suppose this surface has some kinds of the constituents, some kinds of the means grain structure, crystal structure is there. So what kinds of the treatment? Suppose हम क्या बोले coating. Coating means just we can provide, just we can develop a material, just we can provide a coating over the surface, a coating over the surface. So what coating we can provide on the surface? So suppose this coating may be such kinds of the system, this one. So this is the coating over generated on the surface. So the coating, and this is the without coating. It is rubbing against the any surface. So this coating will be there. So coating, a lot of process is there. So this is the surface treatment. We are not making any kinds of the bulk changes to this material, but we can make the surface modification by the different kinds of the chemical, the different kinds of the means beautiful structures over the surface. All these are the process we can make the texturing. Texturing means a beautiful pattern. Suppose texture हमने करना है. So just I want to make texture like this one. A texture we can make like this one. Either we can make the texture, either we can make the pattern like this one. So we can make the pattern like this one. So just we have to see the in the gecko effect what the pattern. In case of the shark, what was the pattern? In case of the means falling scale, what was the antibody falling? So what is the structures? All are the beautiful pattern and beautiful structure. So this scale structure is basically called the texturing. Okay. So the people are trying to develop this structure with the help of this biomimetic. Okay. So this surface texture is the repetitive of the random deviations from the nominal surface that form the three-dimensional topography of the surface. Okay. And some idea of the surface texturing have been evaluated by the observations of the surface in nature. जैसा अभी हमने इस एग्जांपल दिया था आपको. So why shark can we swim so fast? So उसका reason क्या है? Reason is this one only. There is a means separations of the water, separations of this one. Why these separations क्यों possible होता है? Because due to this structure, this beautiful structure, and this can make them the very. So as well known example is the pattern skin of the some fish that might lead to reductions of the drag forces during the swimming. So it can reduce the drag forces. That is the separations of the water. So how this separation? Due to this skin. All other has not the such property. And lotus effect, self-cleaning properties. Self-cleaning property is lotus. So just you can see lotus leaf you will not found any time very dirty. So it is a means they make the self-cleaning over here. Okay. Okay, so this is the self-cleaning. So why all this? Because due to this beautiful structure over the surface. So all these are the textured. These are the texture. So this is gecko effect. Gecko effect means all these are the texture and they create the vacuum over the surfaces. All these are the structure. And just we can see over the tire, over the tire. Tire either shoes we can see. Okay, so all these are the very beautiful pattern. But now we are trying to explore in component of the machine all these things. So how this texturing will be used. Okay, so this surface texturing in present context is intentional creation of the micro. We are not going to this natural one. Natural already we have to discuss for the biomimetic. But here, so what kinds of the means intentionally intentional creations of the micro of the action. Just a minute, I receive. Sorry. Just a minute. Okay. So this intentional creation are the micro and nano features, okay, over the surfaces. So one technology we have also know micro and the nano. So now the nano features also aid, we have a very lot of scope in the nano. Okay, nano means क्या कर सकते हैं nano में? So suppose area is the very small. This area is the very small. But in this area, in micro होगा तो क्या होगा? Suppose we can pour only the make the porosity of the only 100. Suppose this nano may be there, so we can produce the thousands or lakhs of the porosity of the same area. So that can retain more oil, that can retain the good means surface property. So that is also a very good means use of the nano in case of the texturing. So just you can see over here texturing on the in orifice plate. Okay, so this orifice plate, just you have to make the very beautiful pattern of the texturing. So what is the reason of the making texturing over there? So they can retain the oil. They can retain the oil. The texture surface, and from the both sides it is texture surface. So in this particular nowadays, what we are doing? So we can introduce the self lubricating, not the any kinds of the means lubricant, because lubricant क्या होता है? There are the limitations. So they cannot be sustained for the very high temperature. So nowadays we can provide the self lubricating. Suppose MOS2, suppose such kinds of the means HBN, very high temperature sustainable. So just making the beautiful pockets over the surfaces, and they can be good retail the good means property. So this texturing here we can say the part of the piston ring. So now piston ring में हम लोग क्या करते हैं? Just we have to make a very beautiful pockets. Means there is a liner and the piston. All the liner and piston. So just we have to make the very beautiful pattern over the surfaces. Okay. So these kinds of the pattern. So sometimes we have to make the pocket like this one. Pocket like this one all over the surfaces. So this pocket can be retained oil very conveniently. Okay. So the texturing is a very revolutionary part for this time. Okay. So just changing the wetting properties of the needle surface by the texturing. Needle property means क्या होगा? So this property, so we can make the texturing. So by this texturing क्या होगा? So just we can get the property. Suppose just we have to texture it, and without texture it, we cannot retain this. Okay. So this one. In changing the optical properties by surface texturing. Optical property means just we can provide some kinds of the laser beam. So this laser beam we can also change nowadays with the some kinds of the pattern. Suppose there is no any, this is the pattern. If you cannot make the pattern, so optical may be any single color, but we can get a variety of the color. So क्या हो सकता है इससे? What is the benefit of this one? So we can distinguish what is surface roughness of this one, what is surface roughness of this one, what is surface roughness of this one. Otherwise हमें क्या लगता? So all are the same. So these are the means very beautiful patterns of the texturing. So here we can see so how the oil we can develop the dimples, and these dimples can be means produced. So implementation of the surface textures on these parts कैसा हो जाएगा? Effective reductions of the interfacial friction and wear. and due to this pocket, अभी हमारा पहले क्या होगा, suppose ये क्या होता है, protrusions. Protrusion means some kind of the asperity. What is our surface? The surface has the several asperities. The surface has the several asperities. So these are the very much irregular. Okay, some irregularities there. Irregularity is there. Another surface may be like this one. Another surface may be some barely like this one. Okay. So what is the thing is there? So this micro nano features of the texture surface can be formed by the dimples of the protuberance. Protuberance means क्या होता है? Protuberance means asperities. What is the asperities? Okay, so this asperities. Okay, this asperities. Okay. So this effect reduction of the interfacial friction and wear by this production of the dimples and saving energy. So just avoiding to this one, क्या होगा? Once it will come to the contact of the surface, so they will be means damage like this one, damage like this one, damage like this one. So all the means these dimples will going, then it will after a certain time of the period, it will direct contact over the surfaces. So it will damage to this one. So irrespective of this one, the people are trying to develop this dimple. So this dimple करके surface में क्या करेगा? So pocket, it will like a pocket. It will like a pocket. So this will remain a pocket. ये surface भी आपका remain रहेगा, ये भी surface remain रहेगा. So it will not make the direct contact of surface, and this pocket will be some kind of lubricant. So it will continuously provide the lubricant. So these are the means only the use of this texturing. Okay, saving energy from the losses and prolonging the service life of the component. क्या होगा? So self lubricant is there, so it will be increase the life of the this component. So these are the texturing examples. So you can see, so how we can, so there are the various mechanism to improving the tribological property of the surface texturing. Okay, so removal of the water, wear debris, and supply of the lubricants, and enhancement of the hydrodynamic pressures. Okay, so all these are the hydrodynamic, hydrostatic, all these are the several way. Okay, most widely used surface texturing techniques. क्या techniques हो सकते हैं? This is the pattern coatings. Pattern coating means so same kind of the coating. Pattern coating. Pattern का means क्या हो गया? Same pattern. Suppose just I want to make this pattern. एक coating क्या thickness कर लिया हमने, and this coating just suppose just you can see the the thumb. In the thumb there is some kind of the impression, and that's the natural kinds of the natural kinds of the texturing is given by the guard. So what is the purpose of this? Everybody know. Okay, so this cannot be used for the sometime generate more friction, sometime a lot of use is there. So we can artificially develop such kinds of the pattern texturing. So mechanical removal. Okay, so the chemical etching means some kinds of the chemical fuse, and the focused beam. So beam we are using. So laser beam is using nowadays very vast. So laser surface texturing, LST बोलते हैं उसको हम लोग, ठीक है. So this nowadays it is used very vast one. So this one reduce friction and the galling, longer tool life and die life, improve the process yield. So all these are the this one. Okay, so this one. So all these are the texturing, and then so the metal forming. How this texturing will be used? This is a very vast topic, but I am not going to very vast to cover it. But I am just going to superficial. So for your introduction and for your interest, how this texturing are using in the manufacturing process of the metal forming. Okay, so just you can see over here. Okay, so how the surface depositions of the dry lubricant on the metal sheets and depositions of the low frictions anti-sticking wear resistance PVD. ठीक है. Okay, CVD and PVD polymer based coating. Okay, so this one. So just we can see on the sheet metal, just we can make the a coating. यहाँ पे two things is there. Here we have the alternative. Either we can coat our workpiece, either we can coat our tool. So which will be the economical? Which will be the more economical? अगर कोटिंग करेंगे यहाँ सरफेस पे, तो सरफेस has the very large area. Coating is a very costlier process, not very costlier, but CVD, PVD, polymer vapor depositions and chemical vapor depositions. So some cost तो involve होता ही है. So this one. So just we can see if we can rubbing our tool against this one. One we have to make the coating over the surface, this workpiece, and one we have to coating over there. So just we will observe they will make and such kinds of, and here it will make like such kinds of. Okay, both are the possible, but sometimes it deteriorate more in this case, and sometimes it's the economical, but it will also scratch it, but some extent it is a good. Okay, so here we can say the fingerprint over the any object, and this the some kind of the aggressive corrosions, and also the steel means strip of the roller. So we can make the pattern, and we can control the means decaying other over the surfaces only. No need to means generate or develop surfaces. So micro contact at the interfacial between the rolls and sheet. Okay, हमने दिखाया अभी rolls and sheet में, ठीक है. And similarly, we can see the example tool life enhancement in the cold forging. All you are very much familiar. Cold forging is generated a lot of distortion and sometimes of the crack over the surfaces. So how this can be controlled? It is a very good control. You can see the positive influence of the surface texturing extends the relative tool lifetime of the punch up to the 170%. Just only texturing. So for this case, it is a very good technology. Okay. So after this industry, so just we can see over here. So just cylindrical liner and the microstructure produced. So this one. So just making the beautiful pattern over the liner. Okay, one is piston, another liner. Liner, so they save a lot of energy. Friction कितना reduce हो गया? Up to 50%. Wear कितना reduce हो गया? Up to 60%. And oil consumptions कितना हो गया? 85%. And fuel saving कितना हो गया? 6%. So you can see how the things has been saved. Only change the surface. पहले भी पिस्टन यूज होता था, पहले भी सिलेंडर यूज होता था, लेकिन क्या होता था? We have not making the any kind of the pattern over the surface. Just changing the honing, what the kinds of the machining we can do, cylinder liner with the produce. So this is the laser honing से किया है, ठीक है. So a lot of technique is there. Laser texturing, laser honing is a possible. So just we can see the effect. So here we can see the laser texturing. So here we can say the these pockets. These pockets means the some surface, this surface, and this surface has the this we are calling the means apex, and this calling the valley. So some material has the property like this one. So this valley can be retained oil naturally. अगर ऐसा नहीं होता है, then we have to make this one artificial pattern. So there is a beautiful pattern by the laser. So we have to beautiful pattern. So this means can be sustain or retain the oil. Okay, in this one. So here we can see the surface textured area. Surface textured area means on this gold we have to make a very good pattern of the texturing. So what we have to observe over here? So just we will see the texture diameter approximately this one. What is texture diameter? Texture diameter means, so what is the this beautiful pattern? So this pattern making. So this one we can see over here in the texture pattern. So this is the section, flange angle, and the texture depth. So this can be retain the very good property, oil property, or any other property, they can be sustained. So this one. Two life enhancements in the hot forging. Hot forging क्या challenges होता है? Because at the very high temperature, so they will be not use any kind of the oil. कोई हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? Oil को use नहीं कर सकते हैं as a lubricant in case of the hot forging. तो उस केस में क्या है? Self lubricant or any kind of the material we can use. So here we have to not use the some kind of the solid lubricant, and again we have to make the very beautiful pattern over this one. Here we have to make the pattern. Here we have to make the pattern. So by this pattern, positions this one and reduce. So just making the pattern. Otherwise यहाँ पे स्लिप हो जाता है, कभी-कभी स्लिप हो जाता है. So sometimes क्या करना है? तो स्लिप solid lubricant से स्लिप हो जाता है. And due to this slip, it cannot be reduced as we have to require by the single force. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ता है? We have to repeating kinds of the force. But once we have to make the single pattern over the surface. So this surface, so on this surface where the material can be insert. तो यहाँ पे क्या बना दिया इन्होंने? Just on this surface they have to make a pattern. They have to make a beautiful texturing. Beautiful texturing. In that texture क्या करेगा? Work like a grip. अगर आपको इसको grip मिल गया, then it can be make a very good impact. So they can be reduce more area in a single stroke. So this is the all are the very beautiful examples of the texturing. Okay, so we can see over here reduce the frictional coefficient by the 27%. इसमें क्या होगा, रिड्यूस्ड एरिया भी हमने कर लिया, इन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन among this also can reduce by the 27%. So all these are the area to be explored still. Okay. So this one we can say the subsurface and two life enhanced by the cold mirror. The cold mirror का हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, so we can, this is a very new technique, laser guided discharge texturing, LGDT हम लोग बोलते हैं. And by this one, previously we are providing all these things by the honing or some other effect. By this tooling effect we can generate this beautiful pattern. So this is laser guided बोलते हैं हम लोग. So ठीक है, laser guided discharge texturing. Okay, so we can make the different patterns of the texturing over the different range of this surface. So they have to make the very good property of the oil retaining. Okay, so this one. So just we can see over here. So this texture surface of this diameter and common discharge, and this is a laser guided. Laser guided में क्या हो सकता है? Laser guided is a one of the new techniques. So here we can see. So here number of the pocket is the very less, but here the number of pocket is a very more number of pockets. जितना ज़्यादा number of pockets होगा उतना क्या होगा? Oil retaining property क्या होगा? ज़्यादा होगा. Oil retaining property and some other surfaces will be more. Okay. So these are the way by which we can make the beautiful pattern, the texturing. Okay. So this way. So here we can see. So tool life enhancement by the deep drying. Deep drying क्या होता है? Deep drying in one of the causing. So this can be done for the nano kinds of the shape, nano kinds of the structure. So all these are the micro, but we can also develop the nano. So this was not possible previously, but by using this texturing technique, we can make the deep drying of such kinds of the small hole or small element. So this is the micro size, and also we can generate the major size. So what is the reason? So it cannot be fused by this one. Here we can see once we are not using the texturing, it may be fused from the surfaces in very small 0.05 millimeter का है, ठीक है. So it can be that is deep drying, and also it can be no fuse by the using of texturing. Okay, so all about this basic of the structure, and it is also the time 45, and we have attended another meeting at the 4 o'clock. So if you have queries, so you can ask me the question, and otherwise thank you very much. So Namrata, if you have the audience has any
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Query, please ask.
Okay, if you are desire ask any question at any time also, just if you can ask at this time, it is most welcome. Otherwise anybody are free to contact me at any time. Okay, so
Okay.
My information is available on the website, but I will be like to take one or two questions by just conversation. Manoj Yadav is there. Manoj, Kaveri Kadam, are you there? If you will not ask the question, I will ask the question. Is it okay? Ravindra Nayak, can you hear me? Okay, Namrata, if no question. So,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Alok, sir.
Okay, sir. So,
okay.
sir, on the behalf of the ME department and all the participants, I, Dr. Alok Vardhan, propose a vote of thanks for our guest speaker, Professor Rakesh Kumar Gautam, sir, who despite his busy schedule found time for us and gave a very informative talk on sustainable travelology. The topic which you are discussed during the session are very helpful and research important. Sir, we are grateful to have you as our guest speaker. Once again, thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Alok and Namrata as well. Okay, so okay,
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you, thank you everyone. Okay, so
Thank you, sir.
okay, thank you. So can I leave now? Okay. Okay, thank you everyone.
Alok, sir, please share the feedback link.
Okay, ma'am. I have shared the feedback link in chat box. Kindly fill it. 1 minute.
All the participants are requested to fill the feedback form given in the chat box. And you may leave the session after filling the feedback.
So we will meet tomorrow at 9 a.m. Till then, Jai Hind. Thank you very much.